Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to tag someone on a LinkedIn post. This is a great way to directly mention colleagues, clients, or connections in your updates, ensuring they see your content and can engage with it. Let's jump right in and get this done. First things first, open your browser and head over to linkedin.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account using your email and password. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with the account where you want to create the post. This step is essential as it gives you access to your full LinkedIn profile and networking features. After logging in successfully, you'll land on your LinkedIn homepage where you can see your feed and all the latest updates from your network. Now look towards the top of your feed where you'll see a box that says Start a Post. This is your gateway to sharing content with your connections. Go ahead and click on Start a Post to open up the posting interface. Once you click it, a new window will pop up where you can compose your message. This is where you'll type out whatever you want to share with your network, whether it's a professional update, an article, or just a thought you want to put out there. Click into the text box and start typing your message. Take your time here to craft something meaningful that will resonate with your audience. Now comes the important part, tagging someone in your post. To do this, simply type the @ symbol, which is Shift and the number 2 on your keyboard. As soon as you type the @ symbol, LinkedIn will prompt you to start typing the name of the person you want to tag. Begin entering their name and you'll see a drop-down list appear with suggestions based on your connections. Click on the correct person from the list and they'll be tagged directly in your post. This ensures they get a notification about being mentioned and can easily see and interact with your content. Once you've tagged the person and finished writing your message, you're ready to share it with your network. Look for the Post button, which is typically located at the bottom right of the Compose window. Click on Post to publish your update. Your post will now appear on your feed and in the feeds of your connections, and the person you tagged will receive a notification. And that's it, you've successfully tagged someone on a LinkedIn post. This simple feature helps you engage more effectively with your professional network and ensures the right people see your content. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.